Hey Paul, okay, 1157 Forest, 2-bed, 1-bath, built 1890, 871 square feet, 45 on the lot. So you can see here's the front elevation. We have a little bit of dry rot at the ends of the rafter tails there. Original beadboard, a little uneven here. Here's where the front door is patched in. Original steps are here. This could be a wraparound porch. I'll give you a little tour on the inside. Wood porch, a little uneven. We reconfigured this entry. Here is dining, going into the main living space. That's off the front door. Kitchen. This is the main or master bed, which is before a living room. This has a drop down, kind of a weird floor here. That doesn't feel like it was original to the foundation. Once again, living room here. Here is kitchen, individual AC units, no central. Kitchen is a gut. And remember, this is the old sun porch, so you can see how the roof slopes down. This used to be the back of the house. Here's another sun porch that's been closed. Could be a mud room or something. Let's be sure to pop the top on this. This is the next bedroom here. Kind of Jack and Jill with 5 doors. Laundry room off of this one. That needs to be reconfigured. This is bathroom 2. 3/4 bath. Slanted ceiling in here also, and back into the living room. High ceilings. This opening has been modified. I'll give you a shot of the outside so you can see how it would go up. So here's the second sun porch, the original sun porch, original house. So here's the roof line currently. Could go up. Neighborhood's amazing. Rose Bowl's just that way, couple minute walk.